Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Reviews. Today I am going to show you how to fix the proximity sensor in the Samsung Galaxy M20. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel guys. I will be posting a lot of videos on this Samsung Galaxy M20. So first we need to find out whether it is hardware or software problem. So in order to check the hardware proximity sensor is working or not in the Samsung Galaxy M20, so you need to open the phone dialer and just type *0*#. So then you need to go to the sensors. So just click on the sensor and you need to select the proximity sensor. And as you can see, as soon as I place the hand or the proximity sensor, you will get the screen green color and the phone will start vibrating. So as you can see in this video, so now it is very clear that there is no problem with the hardware. So now there's some problem with the software, or if you are using any Tamper Glass or any screen guard, so it must be the problem with that. So first you need to try removing the Tamper Glass or the proximity sensor and check whether it's working or not. So maybe the problem might fix with by removing the Tamper Glass. Still, if you're facing the proximity sensor issue, then you need to factory reset the Samsung Galaxy M20 phone and just check whether it is working or not. So in order to factory reset, go to the settings application and type the factory reset. So you'll get the option to reset all the data. But please be careful before factory resetting the data. Please back up all the important images and WhatsApp data to the another device. So you can try in this way, or else we can just wait for the another software update from the Samsung, which will be fixing the proximity sensor issues. So all these three cases will be worked if there is no problem with the hardware, guys. So if there is any problem with the hardware, so you cannot fix the proximity sensor in this phone. Just you need to return the phone to the seller itself. So that's it, guys. This is a way to fix the proximity sensor in the Samsung Galaxy M20. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel guys for more videos. Check the playlist of full Samsung Galaxy M20 videos. Bye.